The industrial evolution has a clear mission with its human capital, keeping us interconnected in every process of our lives without disconnecting us from what really matters. Since then, we have the daily challenge of making the right decision to work in the most efficient, coordinated, and productive way. Organizations generate an infinite amount of data, but information in and of itself is not power. With this massive amount of information, it is possible to take advantage and act to solve, improve, and grow even more. That's where the real power lies. GIMOS is an unprecedented interactive system that analyzes all this information in real time, pumping the heart of these intelligent operations, generating the correct data at the exact time to improve, optimize, and prepare businesses for any scenario. Allies of this ongoing digital transformation, GIMOS creates new ways of expecting the unexpected, reinventing the manufacturing process through people to connect, transform, secure, and increase quality standards. The interoperability of GIMOS allows for an integral functioning of its systems and transforms production into the main axis of growth for every business, crossing the passive barriers and empowering teams to reduce margins of error, cut down times, and improve internal communication in order to see the natural benefits. The goal? To strive for the certainty of operative perfection. GIMOS.tech, an integral control system for leaders with a vision of the future.